What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a private island on wheels. This is the 2026 GMC Hyper Mansion Motorhome. If you've ever wondered what it would look like if a billionaire's penthouse and a heavy-duty truck had a baby, this is it. GMC has officially moved past the camper phase and entered the rolling estate era. Let's dive in and see if this thing is actually worth the hype. First, let's talk about that exterior. The Hyper Mansion is absolutely massive, but it wears its size with a futuristic, aggressive grace. Up front, you've got that iconic GMC DNA, massive, illuminated front grills, and signature C-shaped LED matrix headlights that look like they could pierce through a storm. The body is built on a reinforced Expedition chassis, giving it a high ground clearance that says, "I can go anywhere." Stepping inside is where the mansion part of the name really makes sense. You aren't stepping into an RV, you're entering a 5-star hotel suite. We're talking hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and smart glass windows that tint at the touch of a button. The living area features a panoramic glass roof and slide-out walls that expand the floor space to nearly 500 square feet. But don't let the luxury fool you. This thing is a beast under the hood. Powering this rolling fortress is a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 engine, pushing out 470 horsepower and a staggering 975 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission designed to glide over mountain passes without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk numbers. A mansion on wheels doesn't come cheap. The 2026 GMC Hyper Mansion starts at a cool $1 million. If you start checking off the boxes for the solar grid package, satellite internet, and custom interior finishes, you can easily see that price climb toward $1.5 million. It's a massive investment, but when you consider it's a high-tech home and a heavy-duty vehicle in one, GMC didn't skimp on safety either. This motorhome is packed with a 360-degree high-definition camera system and the latest version of Super Cruise, allowing for hands-free driving on thousands of miles of highway, even while towing. You get blind spot monitoring that accounts for the full length of the rig, lane departure warnings, and a reinforced safety architecture designed to protect the occupants like a literal vault. In summary, the 2026 GMC Hyper Mansion is a total game-changer. It combines the rugged, dependable power GMC is known for with a level of luxury that was previously reserved for mega yachts. It's big, it's bold, and it's undeniably expensive, but it represents the absolute peak of the American road trip. Thanks for hanging out with me today for this tour of the ultimate home on the road. If you had $1 million, would you spend it on a house or this Hyper Mansion? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most insane vehicles.